What's up, guys? I'm back with another voiceover. Hey. Okay, we're jumping right in. First, I'm going to take my Nivea lip cream and put this on my lips. It looks really ashy, but it's very moisturizing. I don't know why it has that ugly gloss. So for eyeshadow, I'm using my Ulta Beauty Box, and I'm going in with Matte Rust first. I'm using my B19 or 21. One of my Morphe blending brushes. I'll list it in the description box. And then I'm going to go in with a MAC brush. Don't remember which brush this was. This is so bad. I'll put everything in the description box if I don't tell what it is, because right now I honestly don't remember the name of this brush. But I'm going to use this brush on the inner part of my eye just to have it, a little bit more precise. I don't want the eyeshadow all on my nose. So I'm going to use a smaller brush. Okay, now moving on to my lid color, I'm going to go in with Shimmer Copper, and this is what I'll be using for my halo effect today. But first I'm going to apply some Morphe concealer to use as my base and really make that color pop on my lid. I'm going to use a small tiny blending brush. This is the NYX blending brush. Really good for precise concealer. I was trying to use it under my eye, but yeah, it didn't work out so well. So what other reasons to use it for other than your lid? After I place the concealer, I'm going to set it with my Morphe blending brush. No, actually this is the AOA Studio brush, and I'm just going to set that concealer. I'm going to list all of the brushes in the description. How about that? And now I'm going to go in with Shimmer Copper, and I'm using a very small precise brush by Beauty Creations to apply this. I'm going to apply it dry first, and then I'm going to add some Alpha liquid to make it like a metallic wet shadow, and I'll put that on top. On my inner tear duct, excuse me, goodness, I need some water. On my inner tear duct, I'm going to go into Beauty Creations brush and pop on a glitter just to make that, look more cleaner, more put together. And now I'm using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to do a simple cat eye, nothing too dramatic and fierce, just something real simple. This is for a date night, not for club, so I want to do just a little, but not too extra, because I already got a man. I'm not looking for him. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, after I do this cat eye, it's going to go right onto me popping on my falsies. These are my favorite lashes, and the sad part about it is it's like 2 pair of lashes, so I don't remember which ones they are. They're just put together, and yeah, so pop those on real quick. Now I'm using my e.l.f. I'm using my e.l.f. smudge brush to put the matte rust on my bottom lash line, and I'm going to top coat my lashes with some e.l.f. mascara, and then I'm going to use my Maybelline Falsies mascara, favorite mascara ever. It's time for some more. Finishing off the look with my matte blush from my Ulta Beauty Box and a big fluffy brush from Beauty Creations. And I'm also going to put on some of the bronzer. Now I've got to make that contour pop. For glow today, I'm putting on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Peach Nectar Illuminator with my fan brush by Beauty Creations, and I'm shining, 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 yeah, shining, yeah, all of this money, yeah, I don't even know how the song goes really, but anyway, it's the glow, yes. Now I'm lining my lips with the Ulta Beauty Box lip crayon. I don't remember what color this was, but yeah, topping off my lips today with the Lippy 6 Colourpop, and in the color Beautycon, favorite lippy ever. Yes, yes, yes. It's such a nude, pretty, like velvet, everything. It's just everything. Now I'm going to just dab, you know what I'm saying? Dab some of that shimmer copper that I put on my lid on top of my lips. Kind of give it a matte look, and ooh, yes, yes. I think I'm done. Hold on. I gotta dance real quick. You know, this is the best part about voiceovers. You can dance and you want, what you want, listen to what you want, all the music in the back, and boom, I'm done. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm just gonna let you, watch these slow-mos for just a couple of minutes, and yeah, if you liked, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up right now. Go ahead and subscribe. What are you doing if you're not subscribed? You're watching for what? You come back for what? That doesn't help. Go ahead and subscribe, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you in my next video. Oh yeah, and follow me on Instagram. I got some bomb selfies with this